Hey everyone, Corbin here with My Tennessee Home Solution. I'm in Springfield right now, and we are cash home buyers here in Springfield that have helped a lot of families, whether that's an inherited property, divorce, need to downsize, a job relocation. Really, the situations can be endless. We provide personalized, tailored solutions to homeowners that want to sell their house in Springfield fast. There are no commissions, no fees, no repairs needed, and no open houses. We really mean it when we say we provide tailored solutions. We've helped relocate families, provide cash advances when times are tough, and let people just leave anything they don't want behind. We're not backed by any hedge funds or Wall Street institutional buyers. We're a local, veteran-owned and operated team with the focus to positively impact the community every day. So if you're looking to sell your house in Springfield fast, then call the only 5-star rated team that will buy your house as is.
We'll buy your home today, no need to delay. My Tennessee Home Solution.